Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change X privacy settings to see sensitive content. So let's get into the video. X, or our previously named Twitter, doesn't allow us or change it or enable it in the mobile app, so we have to log into website in our X account. So once you have logged in the profile of your X account, and once you have logged in your X account through website, then you'll see a page like this, and there you have to go to the more section, and here you can see there are several options, and click on settings and privacy. Then here you can see privacy and safety. Click on it, and there's the option content you see, and it says that decide what you see on X based on your preference like topics and interests. And there you can see an option display media that may contain sensitive content. It's currently disabled. We have to check it or enable it. And there's another thing that's left to do. Go to search settings, and here hide sensitive content, it is enabled, and as we want to see the sensitive contents in our X account, we have to disable it. So I just unchecked it, and save search settings is updated. So yeah, that's it. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video.